Good morning to all. Today we will discuss about the topic sludge treatment and disposal in wastewater in industrial waste management. These all are the syllabus for the industrial waste management. Uh, Introduction. Sludge is an odorous semi-solid residual that resembles thick soft mud produced from the solid liquid separation process in wastewater treatment. It is usually very inconsistent in its composition and most often unmanageable. The final destination of treated sewage sludge usually is the land. Dewatered sludge can be buried underground in a sanitary landfill. It also may be spread on agricultural land in order to make use of its value as a soil conditioner and a fertilizer. Sludge is categorized into the following groups. First, primary sludge. Primary sludge is generated by the separation of settlable solids from the raw wastewater during the primary sedimentation treatment process. The total solids concentration in a raw primary sludge ranges between 5% and 9% and is typically 6%. Secondary sludge is the activated waste biomass resulting from biological treatments. Some sewage plants also receive septic tank solids from household on site wastewater treatment systems. Third point, sludge produced in advanced treatment process. It may contain viruses, heavy metals, uh, phosphorus or nitrogens. The objective of the sludge treatment to decrease moisture content in the sludge, volume reduction, to remove organic matters, to destroy microorganisms, to eliminate toxic material. Sludge disposal method. Sludge from conventional wastewater treatment plants is derived from primary, secondary, and tertiary treatment process. Most often, the sludge produced has a concentration of a few grams per liter and is highly biodegradable. Each process has a different impact on the water pollution load. This is a treatment process. This is a sludge disposal method. This is pre-treatment process. Pre-treatment consists of various physical and mechanical operations such as screening, sieving, blast cleaning, oil separation, and fat extraction. Pre-treatment allows the removal of voluminous items, sands, and grease. The residues from pre-treatments are not considered to be sludge. They are disposed of in landfills. Primary sludge. Primary sludge is produced following primary treatment. This step consists of physical or chemical treatments to remove matter in suspension. Example: solids, grease, and scum. The most common physical treatment is sedimentation. Sedimentation is the removal of suspended solids from liquids by gravitational settling. Chemical treatments are coagulation and flocculation. Coagulation and flocculation are used to separate suspended solids when their normal sedimentation rates are too slow to provide effective clarification. Secondary sludge. Secondary sludge is generated from the use of specially provided decomposers to break down remaining organic materials in wastewater after primary treatment. The active agents in these systems are microorganisms, mostly bacteria, which need the available organic matter to grow. There are various techniques such as lagooning, bacterial beds, activated sludge, as well as filtration or biofiltration processes. Tertiary sludge is generated when carrying out tertiary treatment. It is an additional process to secondary treatment and is designed to remove remaining unwanted nutrients, mainly nitrogen and phosphorus, through high performance bacterial or chemical processes. These treatments are necessary when a high level of depollution is required. For example, in sensitive areas identified in member states. Sludge characteristics: wastewater sludge type is solid, semi-solid, or muddy liquid, where each of these consists of various organic or non-organic materials, heavy metals, pesticides, polycyclic, aromatic, phenols, and many other materials. Screening grinders are beneficial for medium sized plants. Reduced size solids are returned to raw sewage or mixed with the sewage sludge depending on grinder location. Related to the treatment units, it consists both organic and inorganic matter. Grit. Final grit disposal is by burial. It may be in either sanitary landfill or other accepted landfill operation. The grit must be having a minimum of 6 inches, approximately 15 centimeter of soil covering. This is to prevent vector attraction and odors. It involves organic and inorganic matter, especially fats and grease. These all are the following characteristics of primary and secondary sludge. The following parameters like a pH level for primary sludge 55, 5.5 to 8. Next, secondary activated sludge 6.6 to 8. Alkalinity milligram per liter as a calcium carbonate 600 to 1500 for a primary sludge, in the range of 500 to 550 to 1200 in secondary activated sludge. Total solids percentage in TS, for primary sludge 4 to 9, in secondary activated sludge 0.6 to 1.2. Volatile solids percentage of TS, primary sludge is 65 to 80, secondary activated sludge is 60 to 85. Protein percentage of TS 18 to 30, 30 to 40 in secondary activated sludge. Fats and grease percentage of TS, ether soluble 5 to 30 in primary sludge. Cellulose 8 to 16, in nitrogen 1.4 to 4.2 in primary sludge. In secondary activated sludge 2.5 to 5. Phosphorus 0.6 to 2.9 in primary sludge. In secondary activated sludge 3 to 10. Organic acid 250 to 1800 in primary sludge. In secondary activated sludge 1000. Next, energy content, kilojoule per kilogram total solid. Here primary sludge 24,000 to 28,000. In secondary activated sludge 18,000 to 23,000. Thank you. Next class we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.